everyone, it's Deb here. I have got the unboxing for Kitaholic Kits August kits, and today I realized that I uploaded the July unboxing, but I forgot to make it go public. So if you're interested in looking at what we got back in July, I will make that public after I've uploaded this. I got school pickup soon, so I'm going to jump right into it and try and get through this fast. Okay, so we got in the mixed media kit, we've got some Color Blast color paste, and we got that in the colors of Punch and Envy. That's them, and that's the mixed media kit. Okay, onto the embellishment kit, and we did get, I should say that most of the kit, or the kits this month, have got a lot of the Pink Fresh Just a Little Lovely in them. So we've got the enamel dots from that collection. We've got the puffy phrase stickers from that collection, 26 puppy stickers, and aren't they just gorgeous? All that kind of watercolor look, the florals and the scripty words, and that's the other side. Just beautiful. Okay, so we got Amy Tangerine 40 die cut shapes. I'm not sure what collection this is from, but that is what you get in the pack, and includes spoiled pieces as well. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Haha, that's so cute. Alright, and then we've got Heidi Spot envelopes, and there's 4 in the pack, and that's what they look like. That one's pretty there. I love putting these type of things in my project life. So that is the embellishment kit. Onto the pocket page kit, and we've got a ballpoint pen, and it's one of those crown pens, those really pretty pens that you can get. So there is that. I'm not sure. Let's just have a quick look and see what colour this is. I think it probably will be black. I'll take a little bit off. Oh no, it's blue actually. It's a blue boy ballpoint pen, and it's 0.5. So that's a nice thin pen to write with. We also got, what is this? I'm not sure. Is it a stamp? Nope. Oh, it's some sort of crayon. What is that? I think it's a crayon. I'm not sure if it's a watercolor crayon. That is weird. I've never seen that before, but it kind of... Maybe it's a watercolor crayon. I'll pop it up on the screen if it is, because I'll try that a bit later. We've got Just a Little Lovely phrase stickers. Get 81 of them. So very pretty, all watercolored. Very, very pretty collection. And I love these. Oh my gosh, I'm getting more of these. I know I'm going to use heaps of these. The mini puppy alpha stickers, there's 432, and that's from the Just a Little Lovely collection too. And they are watercolored puppy alphas. Oh my god, and they are so pretty. Oh wow. Definitely have to get some more of them. We have got, let's see, phrase stickers from Pink Fresh, and it's from the office hours, so lots of labels and icons and words. They're always awesome to use in your pocket pages or planners and things like that. So that's really cool. We've got mixed embellishment pack from Just a Little Lovely. So wow, got wood, yeah, like wood buttons, little flare, enamel dots, layered. They're like layered stickers at the bottom there, and also there's a grid background in the back of the packaging, and that's also awesome to use in your pocket pages. We've got our acrylic word from Corbett Creations, and it's gold and it's glittery. I don't know if the camera will pick that up. Like that. We've got the exclusives, and as of this moment, they used to come already cut, but there was problems with the machines or something, so at the moment they are coming as a sheet you cut apart yourself, which is no big deal, I think. So and yeah, there's lots there to put into your pocket pages. So there's that. Then we've got, oh, so pretty, Just a Little Lovely. What is this one called? Let's see. Oh, it's called Story. So if I can get this in, all watercolor. I love it. I love it so much. So pretty. We got that, and we also got Chamel Sparkle City cut apart. So a lot of the same colors with the purples and things. So we got that. And that's the back side of that. What's the back side of that one? Oh, that's pretty too. On the back of that one. So there's that. Then we get the 4x6 cards. So I'm going to flip through really quickly, and I believe you get 2 of each. Mine were mixed up, so yeah, you get 2 of each. So you get to pick from either side or use the same one. There's that. Oh, come on. Because I'm rushing because I've got to pick up kids from school. That. There's that one. I like the splatters on that one. That's pretty. I love that. We've got that one, and okay, that one goes with that one, and then there's that one. So that is the pocket page kit for August. Okay, last but not least is the main kit. So we've got a couple of doilies. Oh, these are pretty. 12 inflated ephemera from Amy Tan. Oh, I like them. They're like puffy, yeah, puffy hearts. That is cool. They got the pattern on both sides. I want to hang one from my planner. That is so pretty. Okay, we've got Just a Little Lovely ephemera pack. 47 pieces, so there is a lot in there, and it's that watercolor and floral. So pretty. Purples and the pinks and the blues. We've got 5 paper clips from the Memory Planner American Crafts. So there is them. We've got from Corbett Creations some acrylic dots. So that is really cool. You can use them in place of your enamel dots. We've also got the thickers in Sunlight. So they're gold, and I love these because they're smaller and they're a scripty one. So very pretty. I don't know if the camera's going to pick up the glitter in the gold there. We got the exclusive cut apart sheet. And once again, you cut it up yourself. It's not too hard, so there is that. Then we get into the papers, so I'll quickly go through these, and we've got just a little lovely highlight. And I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up because it's a very kind of pastel watercolor paper. Oh, and the floral on the back, it's so pretty. I'm so glad to get the paper add-on because it'd be too hard to choose one side. I love this one. This one is called Chit Chat, and watercolor on the other side. This one is called Hope. So we got the grid. I don't know if the camera's going to pick up that grid with the floral there, and that is the back side of that. Then we've got One Fine Day, so watercolor with kind of a white floral through it, and then you've got the black and white floral on the back. Oh, around here I love wreath ones. I'm going to leave a link below if you haven't seen my wreath layout I made beginning of the year maybe, and I made all the inside a big shaker. I'll leave a link below to that video, and you'll also find the playlist of my DT projects over on the Kitaholics channel. Oh, that's pretty too. All the watercolor there. And then we've got Possibility, so just a watercolor one. All the mixed media is done for you on some of these papers, so if you don't like to get dirty with your mixed media, it's already done for you. Alright, so that is the main kit. I am going to have to go and pick up the kids now. It's the weekend coming up, so yeah, so I will leave links below to Kitaholics, to my playlist on Kitaholics YouTube, and I will catch you all in the next one. Bye.